In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transit pass to your Google Wallet. This simple process ensures you enjoy a seamless travel experience by having your transit pass ready in a digital format whenever you need it. Let's get started by opening Google Wallet on your device. Once you've opened Google Wallet, the first thing you'll notice is a streamlined interface designed to keep all your payment methods, tickets, and passes organized in one place. To begin adding your transit pass, look towards the bottom of the screen. Here, you will find the option marked Add to Wallet. Tap on this and it will bring up a range of options for you to choose from. You'll want to select the option labeled Transit Pass. This selection is specifically for those who want to store their transit passes digitally, and it applies to a variety of supported transit systems and cities. Google Wallet supports many major cities and systems, so no matter where you are, you'll likely find your transit provider listed. Once you've selected Transit Pass, the next step is to locate your specific transit provider from the list. If your city has a supported transit system, chances are it will be listed here, ensuring that the process aligns perfectly with local transit options. After selecting your provider, you may be directed to either their official website or the app associated with their service. This step is necessary because you typically need to purchase your transit pass directly from your transit authority's platform. It's a process that keeps everything secure and makes sure you're getting the correct pass for your travel needs. After you have completed your purchase, you'll see the option to either save to Google Wallet or add to Google Wallet. Tapping this option officially integrates the pass into your Google Wallet, ensuring it's just a tap away when you need it most. This step seamlessly bridges the purchasing process with the convenience of easy access right from your phone. And there you have it. Your transit card will now be visible in the main view of your wallet. It's ready to be tapped for use, allowing you to travel conveniently and efficiently. Whether you're commuting to work, exploring a city, or just running errands, having your transit pass in Google Wallet means that you'll never have to fumble for a physical card again. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide has helped simplify your transit experience with Google Wallet. Stay tuned for more tech tips and tricks to streamline your daily activities. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.